Cause a little we got.
Alright, what's up? Oh, hey, how'd you get it?
Me in Discord. Hi.
Huh. That was like,
I
no,
love ringing the
no,
bell.
with the VOD I watched, that was like almost impossible to get.
I mean, yeah. It's bugged, so it won't kill us. The burst thingy is not gonna kill us. But I really don't want to sell it.
Oh, wait, no, the round's already ending. Alright, never mind.
Yeah,
Hello.
me on Discord. Hi. Can do you like ringing the bell?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we gotta go ring the
ringing the
bell.
bell.
Let's go ring the. No, I want to ring the bell. Wait, where's the bell? Oh.
Sing it. Just sing it.
What? Sing what?
I love ringing the bell. Bell ring me.
Don't ring it. Don't ring
I
it.
love ringing the bell.
No, 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 no.
What?
That's what Kaden did. You on Discord, please.
Oh, well,
I love ringing the bell. The bell makes me feel so. My bell. No, no. I love ringing the bell. The bell makes me feel so well. I love ringing the bell. The bell makes me feel so well. Sing along with me.
Hey.
I love ringing the bell.
Come on.
I just ran up in there, bruh. Okay, no, we gotta go.
That's crazy. I'm not gonna lie.
Discord.
Oh, sorry.
We're gonna.
Okay,
This
I'm
is
getting on
K's.
Discord now.
This is mine. I'm naming this one Buddy.
Sell
This is
that
mine.
shit.
No, it's too late.
His name is
Oh, I'm
Buddy?
selling it.
No.
I'm throwing him away. I'm putting him in a random order.
There's three, but I
something very
couldn't bear to
dangerous.
take it.
Oh, you couldn't take it as you looked at it.
I couldn't bear to take one. Like, I felt really bad for it. It was his mom, and I didn't want to take an egg.
Oh, that's so bad.
Dude, I love birds, okay? I can't bear to make them sad.
Sell your scrap metal and other goods. You have 0 days
I
left.
don't want birds sad. It makes me sad and eventually cry, and yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I can't make birds sad.
Me neither. I don't like making birds sad.
But we're raising our own. We're raising
Where
our
are we
own
going?
birds.
Where are we going? Assurance
I
again?
wonder what happens if we go into another mother. Hey,
Don't grab Tanya.
Tanya?
Yeah. Hey, look up.
Crap, there's thunder.
Ryan, you almost got struck by lightning.
I freaking know that. Oh, I'm getting ads.
What?
I'm getting ads. I'm getting ads on lethal.
That was really cool though. I like
Oh,
that.
I'm here.
That was cool. Literally,
Guys, I'm
I
here.
wanted
Wait
it
for
on
me.
my
Wait for me. Wait.
Hi.
Wait
Hey,
for
Ryan.
me. Hi, guys.
Okay.
Let's go.
Did you get a screen ad? Visibility low. I look at everything.
Ooh. Look at this. I got an apple.
Whoa! Yeah!
Me just casually doing a D5.
Are you guys okay? Guys, where are you guys?
Yeah.
Over here.
Oh, hi. Wait, can I
Here,
grab
you want to grab
stuff?
this controller pad?
I would like to.
Alright, grab this.
I have it now.
Yeah, you got things.
I got things that are very likely to be struck by lightning. Wait, how do I
Turn red.
Wait, how do I drop stuff again?
G.
Okay.
Look at your time.
Oh.
Who did that?
I gotta sneeze.
Wait, I'm too heavy.
Why'd someone do that? Come on. Okay, we gotta get out of here.
Guys, I'm too heavy. I'm too heavy.
That was Donovan.
Guys, wait. I need weight.
Wait, I was going the wrong way.
Oh,
Guys,
no.
can you give me? Can you guys like? I don't know where to go.
Yeah, me neither. I'm trying. Okay.
What do you mean, bro? I'm right here. What do you mean I
Hi,
forgot
Donovan.
for you stupid shit?
Where's
I know
exit?
where to go. I know where
I
to go.
made you Z toxins, by the way.
We
I
gotta
don't like
go.
them. Where? It's
the
dark as shit. Where's that?
I don't know. I'm following you.
Also, I know where
That's
to go.
probably not a good idea. I typically die.
Fine.
I mean, I get on me because I'll probably die and you'll probably run away.
Yeah. I don't know where I am.
I guess we could look for fire. Me neither, bro.
Oh, I'm.
Wow,
That's
a wall.
That's a wall.
So useful. Oh, there's shit over here.
Oh, there's nothing over here.
The door?
Bro, we need to get flashlights.
Yeah, good point. We probably should get flashlights.
Caden, why are you dead?
Guys, I'm scared.
Oh, man. I'm not carrying anything.
Oh, yeah, good.
Hello?
Let's just go. What the? My God.
Hi. Oh, we party.
What is in front of him? What happened?
Hi.
Oh, that's really not good.
Oh,
Time to get the
he's gonna
ball.
die.
Goodbye. Hello?
Let's go.
You freaking die
I
by
just
the
hit die with
thing
it.
sticking in your head. That's hilarious.
Yeah. Bro, who had a full appy?
Oh.
Crap.
Bro, I fell off because I didn't know where I was going.
Carry the large axle. Yeah, okay, I got a large axle. Okay, 50 pounds, thank you. How heavy are you?
60? 61.
Come say. Rush! Bro. Over there. Oh.
Oh, I saw for a split second.
Got the light?
I'm trying.
Okay, this place is where we know where it is.
Both round
These guys are
movies
good.
and
There you go.
calling me and
Thank
texting
you.
me. That's funny.
Now you can really see it.
Wait.
Oh, the baby's got eyes. You can see the eyes through it. Yeah, they have glow dark eyes.
Aw. That's cute.
Look at that.
Alright, so we keep going?
Yes, go.
Alright.
They're gonna die. I already know it. They're gonna die.
Whoa. What was that? Stupid. Alright, let's just see how everyone's doing. Okay, we have about 300 loot. Donovan's dead. Ryan's dead.
How did he die?
Caden's dead. We're the only ones
No one's
alive.
dead but us. Well,
You
I'm gonna see the bodies. Watch
They
me.
only realized that
Oh
now.
yeah,
yeah,
take
I got
the
you.
bodies.
We don't teleport us, so be careful.
Yeah, I know.
Luis is gonna die.
Oh, does that
He's already.
There.
Hey, don't mess with it, Luis.
He's to die.
I wish I could speak for him. That'd be funny.
To make a loud ass noise.
Yeah. I'll just go like, and it'll be out of his microphone.
There's a key.
Why is he going back?
This camera is so good.
I don't know. He's dumb. It's dark as shit.
Something.
Okay.
But he missed a thing! Luis, you shit. Luis, you missed something, dumbass.
What did I miss?
Drugs.
Drugs.
Oh my god.
Bruh.
Oh. That's good shit.
Bro.
Man.
Oh no.
Oh no. Hey, vote for the ship
Luis
to
is
leave early.
addicted already.
Hey, vote.
I got you.
Oh.
Caden, vote.
Bro, how can Luis even see anything?
Oh my god.
He like realizes he's in front of a monster. Oh, there's two of
To
them!
light.
Curries.
What was I supposed to do?
You're supposed to
Mode.
run! You couldn't escape because you couldn't see
Dude,
anything.
it was blocking the way.
I know you
Oh my god.
couldn't
my
see
God.
anything.
Oh.
That's funny.
Alright.
Bro, my dad's covering everything I say, bro. I couldn't do nothing.
Oh wait, is this the mod
yeah,
where
I
we
saw
can
you
use
suffering.
emotes or no?
No.
Yeah.
We can do like one.
Oh, it's that one. Okay. I was talking about the
Guys,
dancing one.
when are we? I lost the wanna play Minecraft. I wanna play
Let's
Minecraft.
go. We're playing lethal, man. I'm here.
I just wanna play Minecraft.
I'm sorry, Kingdom. You can't get everything you want
Sorry.
sometimes. Ow! There's a bird. They just pecked me. Please!
Here's all those fucking
Help!
kids.
The bees!
I'm
They stung me! The bees stung
The
me a
bees?
lot. Yes, I was screaming. Did you guys hear?
No.
Aw.
Power's off. Yeah, I'm gonna go find the
Oh,
power.
there's a spider! There's a spider! Ah! It's chasing after me! Help!
Oh, what?
Chill out. It's just a spider.
It's
Oh my
chasing after
gosh,
me!
bro. It's just a spider. Whoa. Look at it. It's just a spider, bro. And he's just gonna put. Yeah, look, he's gonna wrap him up like a mummy, and then go back to his home. So you just gotta. You just gotta.
Look it up. He'd rather run a blanket.
See?
I can't grab it. You can't grab it.
It's just a friendly spider, bro. Like you can jump over the webs.
He hung me up.
That's not good. Yep, we're cooked. Oh,
Wait, Kaden, how did you die?
Where is it?
The spider.
Where's Kaden at?
No, wait,
He's
they
on
don't
top.
even know you died.
Oh, look, he's right there. He's in the pod. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Oh, this is great.
How do I grab your body?
I'm in a web.
Oh, you're right there. Okay, grab it. Nothing here. Oh, bubble cushion. Oh, it's an egg! He's so... Oh no!
Why are they bouncing me around?
Alright, how do I go find items?
Ronald's bouncing my corpse around.
Guys!
Yeah.
I can check the spider. Where is it? Oh, right there. Is it? I'll leave it.
There it goes. Hit it!
Kill it. Nice job. The egg's not working.
The egg didn't
I'll
work.
retrieve the egg. No, go, no.
Ah,
Two tapping me!
Ronald was gonna die. Uh-oh. Luis, what the frick are you doing?
This could tell me what.
What is Luis doing?
Nice.
He actually did it!
That's just. That's how it is.
I got it.
Just saying.
I got it. Okay, I got it.
Ah, stupid spider. Oh, what the fuck?
They both died.
Oh, he like being tied up like that. Oh, baby.
I'm trying to get him You can't out. pick it up. You can't take
Donovan, shut
So
up!
dead.
Can you break the web? No,
No.
you can't. There's nothing we can do.
He's hitting me. He's hitting my web.
He's in a blankie. He's
He's in a
uncomfortable now.
blankie.
Yeah, he liked it. I'm dead, by the way. I know.
I have to deal with.
Bird grab.
Uh-oh.
That motherfucker.
What is that?
What are they looking at?
What?
You little pussy.
What is the fuck? What you call it? Strangle worms.
Strangle.
Hey, go say hi. You hit it.
Hit it!
You hit it. He did hit it. Hit it again. What?
Did it? Oh, you killed
Wait,
him.
Donovan, how did you die?
You killed him.
Fucking killed me.
The worm? I can see you guys are playing with the worm. Oh, it's killing Luis. It's killing Luis.
Ronald, you fucking dumbass!
It's gonna kill all of us.
Ronald, you dumbass, bro.
Ronald.
I tried to hit it, and then you went into my line of, and you went to my line of fire.
What do you mean I went into your line of fire? I was there the entire time. I couldn't even move.
I need to take.
I was trying to hit it!
I wasn't moving. I was stationary.
Oh no! It's
This is completely Ronald's fault. It is completely Ronald's fault.
It's not my fault!
You killed people.
Who went to it first, huh?
I died to your shovel.
That's a skill issue, you died to me!
Skill issue. Why did you?
I'm gonna kill you.
Kill Donovan, bro.
You're not gonna kill me!
I am gonna kill
can't.
you.
No,
Yeah, huh? Are we cooked?
Wait, hold on. Before we go to the next island,
Yeah,
Ronald,
look,
Ronald, I gotta ask you a question. Hey, can I ask you a question?
What's up? Yeah.
Okay, wait, when are we doing
Can we
Minecraft?
go
When
to
are we
the
doing
moon
Minecraft?
eclipse?
When are we doing Minecraft? When are we doing Minecraft? What are we gonna do?
Why?
Like,
When are we doing
swing
Minecraft? When are we doing
Yes.
Minecraft? When are we doing
This is our last day.
Minecraft?
Luis, this is our last day. Why
Yeah,
did you do
both.
this?
No, because they're all talking.
I was trying to get you
and I
off
can't
the
hear
web.
After this, Dane, can we do
I was trying to get you off the string, and I was trying to see if we could recover your body.
we all
We're cooked. We're cooked. Motherfucker, Luis.
Whoa.
We'll be
fine.
What a time to be alive.
We're gonna
I did
die.
this for you guys. I did this. We'll be fine.
Stop, son! Ronald, so you said I was gonna kill you, right? Ronald, you said I was gonna kill you.
Shoot! No.
Don't kill me!
Ow.
Sorry.
Jump off.
What is happening?
Then I kill you anyways.
Look, guys, I'm gonna jump off. Wee! Ah,
Bro.
Aiden.
Oh my god.
We need people.
This is your fault.
Hey
man, you wanted to. I know you did.
No, I didn't. I was trying to switch the food.
Now, deep down, I knew you wanted to pull that lever.
Deep down, I want to kill you right now.
Egg beater. A wife beater.
Hey, yo.
You're
trying to eat your
you're you're a wife beater. Oh, okay. Don't go up there.
We're cooked.
Donovan. What?
I died. Hey, you should go that way.
Huh? Okay.
Yeah, you should go that way.
What's that one? What? What? Oh, the turret. Oh. I never yelled that high. I never went that high. Like that high. Guys, we got this. No. That is some smart. Oh no.
I'm so cooked.
Oh, you dead.
Dude, ow.
It's the loot bug, bruh. It's chasing both
He's
of them.
cooked.
Or chasing Luis.
He's cooked.
He's dead.
What?
He's like, what?
Fine. Take these, I don't care.
What is
How is he alive?
He's not.
What?
He's supposed to be killing.
What?
He's supposed to be killing.
How is he alive? There's no way!
There he goes.
Cheer, Nitro.
Luis, this is all your
How'd you
fault.
dear? Any spell?
I know.
How'd you deer? You're a deer?
Reset. Just reset.
No,
No,
he's
bye-bye.
talking. Wait, everyone vote. Everyone vote.
Oh, fun.
No.
No, let it play. Fight too.
Dude,
There
no,
you go.
Ronald
That's what
was
you get.
talking to a
Sniff that,
slime.
you'll die.
You have a point.
He wants to be plucked slime.
Oh, I thought he was gonna kill himself.
I've got a feeling everyone else is dead.
Oh, he has a feeling.
Oh, you're right.
He has an inkling.
Well, he's right about that.
So you know what I'm gonna do?
Luis.
Escape. I'm not gonna be. I'm
Your
not gonna
fault.
sell.
Yeah.
I know.
Or unless this thing's gonna block my way.
I'm not ashamed of it. You know that, right?
Yeah, I thought so.
I'm not ashamed of that. You know.
I don't care if you're ashamed or not.
All right.
Still your fault.
Where is
So he's-
fire?
okay, so don't
Because I
remind
know
me.
it's here somewhere.
I'm gonna remind you when I kill you.
Where? When?
Today. Oh wait, not today. Tomorrow.
Where?
Wait,
Lethal
there's
or
two of them?
strongest?
What? Both.
Both?
Sure. Let's go.
Did
We're gonna
you
get
just fall to your
ejected.
death?
Can we please play Minecraft?
No,
shut
I
up.
got shot.
We're playing lethal.
Just wait, bro. I'll leave it on overlay. Just wait. This was entirely Luis's fault.
After done, we're lethal. After we're done with lethal.
Okay, guys, I took us to death.
No. What?
Wait, what happened?
Doesn't matter.
Are we getting ejected?
Yeah.
Zed. He's gone. They're gone.
Or not?
Okay, let's go.
Oh, the babies are
What?
gone.
What? How did we not die?
Right, get out!
What are we doing? What's happening? Ow! It almost hit me.
Whoa. Oh, it's raining.
Hey,
Ryan?
what? What's wrong? Uh-oh.
Get out!
Okay, he's dead.
I'm not trying to take your eggs. I'm just passing by, okay? Oh. Hey. I'm trying to pass by, okay?
Can we just vote?
That's what I'm trying to do right now.
Can we just vote to leave? Can we vote to leave, guys?
Oh, this bird knows English. Let's go! See what I missed. Yeah. What I missed. There you go.
It's asleep.
Guys.
Oh god.
Oh, you
Killed you this time, did it?
I'll spoil it. Why is it a mansion? Hey, let's get some better loot.
We're gonna get ejected. Like, as soon as Luis leaves, we're gonna get ejected. Oh, what the hell?
Whoa. You gotta keep.
You know, he's going. Hey, bro, can you just watch shorts?
I'm sorry, man. I really just miss playing Minecraft, bro.
I feel your vibe, I feel your vibe, yeah. Let's touch the skies, and let's touch the skies, yeah. Oh, it's a chin.
Ooh. Whoa. Do stuff. Do stuff for mansion. A lot more loot opportunities.
It's just Luis left, bro.
Alright, anyway. I was doing
It's just Luis left.
The mansion up there.
And I feel your vibe, yeah, and I feel your vibe, yeah. Let's touch the sky, Let's touch the sky.
Yeah, I'm here. Not for the fact that there's 2 turrets.
And during this whole time, we switched focus against. Right?
You took the bridge?
Gaiden, vote.
I did.
Oh, wait, who hasn't voted?
Oh, you're voting? Okay.
I did. Well, because we're gonna get ejected, even if he lives or not.
Oh, I think he's gonna kill himself. He's gonna get our bodies, I think.
Motherfucker. Do we at least have the eggs? No, we don't. Oh my god. Who else died? Yeah, I'm not gonna bother to get that. Only thing I care no more. Oh, we did have a key. Fuck.
There she is.
Oh, we all got Fs.
That's so
GG's well played, guys. GG's well played. Goodbye.
Okay, yay, my car's on. Bye.
Nope.
No.
Oh my god.
As you have not met the profit quota, your performance has been deemed below standard.
So who all seal
Welcome
it,
to our
huh?
disciplinary process.
You.
All of you.
You.
No, there it goes.
Just you. We're not playing Minecraft. Dying, we're getting ejected.
We're not playing Minecraft.
Uh-huh. I almost stopped saying
He
Minecraft.
thought we were going to because we died.
Actually, just start without me. I need to get snacks, and I have to take a shit.
We got fired.
Oh, wait. Hey guys, we're all back.
Right.
Wait, can I move this real quick?
Welcome to your first day on the job. This is your
Yeah.
own autopilot ship, where you will eat and sleep.
Guys,
for
it's
the
our first
duration of
day.
your contract.
There we go.
Make yourself at home.
Dance to this.
To complete
Let's all dance to
the
this.
process, you will want to check the instruction manual and sign
How do I
into the
dance?
ship's computer terminal.
One. Press one.
Trust you will be a great asset to the company.
One.
Great asset to the company. Asset. Great asset to the company. Asset.
Wait.
Great asset.
Ryan, how was the BPM?
Let's see. 1, 2. I don't know. I'd say around 100, approximately.
Yeah. What was? I heard something.
That was the right answer.
Yeah, you got it.
Oh, but you thought.
Hey man, I'm a good musician too.
Yeah.
I can't run.
How'd
you get here so
fast? Okay.
Help! I need run.
No sailor shooting this time.
Okay.
Look.
What's up? Oh wait, I should probably have already left because Luis had checked.
Daddy has arrived.
Oh, shut up. Be quits. Bro, where is that coming from?
Oh, Rubik Cube.
Bro, where was that coming from? Oh.
Turret?
Down there. Wait, where is it? Yeah, where's the turret? Oh. Wait, oh, so how do we change my inventory slot again?
Scroll down.
Oh, scroll. Okay, good.
I'm just gonna keep laughing because I feel like it.
Bro, you're never gonna make it.
Alright, time to see what's over here.
Yeah, me too. I'm seeing
Why
over
do they
here.
keep hitting it? He keeps hitting it. No, I don't keep hitting the turret. Where? You don't mind them.
Don't mind them. They won't do anything to you. Don't mind them.
Oh, the turrets? Oh, cool. There's 2 of them. That's nice.
Yep. K9.
Oh.
I just watched that. I'm sorry.
Oh, you mean you just witnessed that?
Oh, do I
Actually.
want to carry this engine or do I have to put? I'll put right back to safety.
Yeah, get the engine. No, get the bro.
No. Ooh, alright, creaking. Hello?
Bing bang. Ling dang ding.
So this is... Yeah, I'm back. What was that? Hello.
How'd he die?
He ran into a turret.
Ran into. Great description.
What was that? Ooh. Oh, hello. I'm all alone here. Bro. Oh my god. What?
See.
Oh, finally. Oh, we've got to go. Where the fuck is that coming from? Uh-oh. Ah, no, 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 no! Let's just go back.
Oh my god.
Oh, what was that?
Nah.
Hello, turret. Oh, I don't think it's there. Yeah, I need to go to the bathroom real quick. Where he died. Shut up.
I'm so fat. Are you going gay with that?
Yeah, I'm okay. I somehow managed to make it out alive.
I'm so fat, bro. I'm 60. Why is there so many damn turrets?
Baby back, baby back, baby back, baby back. His baby back ribs. Dog doesn't come behind me and kill me.
Oh, main entrance. No way.
Alright, you seem like it did good. Yeah.
Well, hello, skill issue.
Don't call me a skill issue.
Ah!
Donovan, where did you go? Uh-oh.
It can't be good. Hey, go. What are those guys?
Shit.
You don't have to tell me. My brother just walked into my room and said he's gonna take a shit.
That's funny.
Oh, nice.
This dip.
I would like to get some of those fragrant trees. Like you know, like when you're in Hawaii, they got those the girls wear the flowers in their ears. Yeah.
Hello.
Okay, I just realized something. That
What's up?
listen, last time like I had died and then but like everyone else died, but today I was the only one who died. So yeah. So I gotta not die.
Okay.
Also, that is freaking hilarious how Luis came in your room and announced that he was gonna take a deuce. I mean, he looks like he's doing it right now.
Yeah.
Wait, how do you point finger?
2.
Haha. Ha. Oh wait, I just realized I have work tomorrow.
Oh, you got work tomorrow?
I'm working tomorrow.
Ah, wait, what day is Sunday? Yeah.
So I think
Have
this will be
fun.
my last round. and then we'll go. Oh yeah, we'll finish this game and then I'll leave, okay?
Okay. I have an American Airlines pin. I got it from a pilot.
Wow.
And one of the old ones too, so that's pretty cool. And it's like clothespin, kind of like mechanism, instead of being like buttons. What's that?
It's my song. I love how I heard a huge press on your keyboard. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna imitate it. You ready?
Yeah.
Wait. I'm gonna do it better.
Yeah.
What the frick, Ronald? What? Stop. What are you doing?
I don't know. What are you doing?
Ronald, what?
What are you doing?
I don't know. I'm playing music. What is the? What is that?
It's a sine wave.
No. Okay, stop. No, stop. Stop doing sine waves. No, stop. Stop it. Stop.
Like that. There you go. Look in general.
Oh boy, what's in general? Is this? It's dangerous to go alone. Why is it on a comb? That's cute. Is this game educational? Aww. It's like the ball, but it's like, yeah, but he's like more curled up.
It's so cute.
He looks so shy. It looks like it's sleeping. Stop, Ronald. Bro, can you stop?
What kind of music is this?
This is my song. What are you talking about? This is a remake of Tundra Replacement.
Oh.
Yeah, this is my Tundra replacement.
No, there it is.
This is my Tundra replacement.
Nice.
Ronald, what?
It was Kanye West.
Oh, you want to hear Kanye West?
It was that one song.
You want to hear Kanye West, bro? Life like, this is what your life like. Try to live your life right. People really know you push your buttons like type right. This is like a movie, but it's really very lifelike. Every single night right, every single fight right. I was looking at the gram and I don't even like. I was screaming at my dad who made it Christ-like. I was screaming at the referee just like Mike. Looking for a bright light, single with your life like. Riding on a white bike, feeling like excite bike. Pressing on the gas, super nervous for a night flight. Screaming at my dad and he told me it ain't Christ-like. But nobody ever tell you when you're being like Christ. Only ever seeing me, only when they need me. Like if Tyler Perry made a movie for BET, searching for the deity. Now you wanna see it free, now you wanna see it free. Let's just see it free. Tell me what your life like, turn it down a bright light. Travel with my dad and he told me it ain't Christ-like. I'm just trying to find, I've been looking for a new way. I'm just really trying not to really do the fool way. I don't have a cool way, being on my best though. Like I'm on the text though, nothing else next no. Not another word, let a picture of a decimal. Wrestling with God, but I don't really want to rest. So, man, it's really life-like. Everything in my life, arguing with my dad, and he said it ain't Christ-like. You know, it's like somebody only close to you can get you off your. You know, I woke up this morning, I said my prayers, I'm doing good, I try to give him some advice, he starts spazzing on me, I start spazzing on him, he said, that ain't Christ-like, I said, wanna hear another one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, if you're in the you got a power. You must be very good. 42 months.
Everything that I've breath, praise the Lord. Worship Christ with the best of your portions. I will never forget all He's done. His strength in this race that I run. Every time I look up, I see God's faithfulness. and it shows just how much He is miraculous. I can't keep it to myself. I can't sit here and be still. Everybody I will tell, till the whole world is healed. King of kings, Lord of lords, all the things He has in store. To the point, all are welcome through the door. You will never be the same when you call on Jesus' name. Listen to the words I'm saying. Jesus save me, now I'm sane, and I know God is the voice that picked me up. I know Christ is the fountain that filled my cup. I know God is alive, yeah. He is so good, my vision, giving me a revelation. This ain't back to religion. Jesus brought a revolution. All the captives are forgiven, and the breakdown of the prisons. Every man, every woman, there is freedom from addiction. Jesus, you have my soul. Sunday service on the roll. All my idols, let them go. All my demons, let them know. This a mission, not a show. This is my eternal soul. This the kids, this the crib, this my wife, this my life, this my God-given right. Thank you, Jesus won the fight. That's what God is. That's what God is. That's what God is. I'm gonna quit right now. It's getting too late. I'm about to go. Okay.
Alright, see ya.
Alright, bye bye.
We just dip.